All right, hello everyone. Here is some homework help for the trig log equations, worksheet number 2, solving these equations here. You want to have your properties of logs out. It's all of these. We have the product property, quotient, power, and equality. We'll be using these. We'll be talking about these to solve this problem. All right, problem number 4. Well, the first thing I see is these logs are being subtracted, so that means I can switch it to division. So I can have log base 7 of x plus 3 divided by x. It's my first thing. I can use that law. And again, that's that quotient law right here that says you can turn a subtraction problem into a division problem. And the reason why I did that is because now I have two logs being equal to each other. Now I can use this property here that says if two logs are equal to each other, then their arguments are equal to each other. So they're both log 7. I just get rid of the log 7, and now I have that. I've switched from the world of logs to the world of exponents. It's easy to do. Cross multiply and divide. X plus 3 is 51x. What is that? 3 is equal to 50x, and x is equal to 3/50ths. All right, second problem. Same thing. I'm going to put these two log together, but I'm going to put them together with problem number 6 here. I'm going to put them together with multiplication. So I multiply these and I have a log 4x squared is equal to 4. Well, now I want to switch to the world of exponents. So let's just put a 10 there because we know it's base 10. 10 to the 4th power is 4x squared. And now we're not using calculators, so we could multiply this out, but if I just leave it like that, that's fine for now. Divide both sides by 4, and I have 10 to the 4th divided by 4 here. So now if I square root both sides, let's take in the square root. The square root of this would be, what would that be? That would be 4 zeros, and that would be 100 times 100. So if I square root at the top, I have 100. If I square root at the bottom, I have 2. And 100 divided by 2 is 50 is equal to x. But don't forget, when you take the square root, you have to account for the plus and minus. There's other ways to do that computation there, but without a calculator, I think that's the easiest. Don't change that until you have to. All right, number 9. Same thing here. We're going to put them together with multiplication. So I have log base 5 of 6x squared is equal to 3. Now I can convert it and say 5 to the 3rd is equal to 6x squared. 5 to the 3rd is 125 is equal to 6x squared. Divide that over 125 is divided by 6. And take the square root plus or minus root 125 over root 6, because I took the square to the top and bottom. That's what we do. And then at this point, you can decide how you want to do this, but I'm just going to take out this is 25 times 5, so that's 5 root 5 over root 6, and multiply that up there. 5 root 30 over 6 is x. And again, there's lots of different ways to do the computation. Most of the time we're going to do this without calculators, so you want to be good at this computation, know what's going on. Hope this helps with your homework.